If you find yourself locked out of your Discord account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Discord login page. Go to the Discord website or open the Discord app. Click on the login button to access the login page where you will enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Your Password link and click on it. This will allow you to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Discord account in the provided field. Make sure it is the correct email to receive the password reset link. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Discord with the subject password reset. Click on the link in the email to create a new password for your account. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the instructions to set a new password. Make sure it is strong and unique. Once you have successfully reset your password, log into your account using the new credentials. After completing these steps, you should regain access to your Discord account. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Discord support for further assistance.